If you're seeing the site not secure error in Chrome, don't worry, because in this video I'm going to show you 4 simple fixes that can usually solve it fast. This issue can happen when Chrome is trying to protect you, but the website, your browser data, or even your device clock is causing the warning. The good news is, most of the time you can fix it in just a few minutes without needing any advanced technical skills. And before we jump in, if this tutorial helps you out, go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe for more simple software and browser tips just like this. It really helps the channel and it lets you know when the next helpful guide is ready. Let's start with the first fix, which is to force an HTTPS connection. Sometimes a website supports encryption, but the page you typed in or bookmarked is loading with the older HTTP version instead of the secure HTTPS version. To check this, click inside the address bar at the top of Chrome and look at the very beginning of the web address. If you see HTTPS// delete that and replace it with HTTPS//. Then press enter to reload the page securely. In a lot of cases, that one small change is enough to bring the site up without the warning. If that does not work, the next thing to try is clearing your browser cookies and cache. Over time, Chrome stores site data, cookies, and cached files to help pages load faster, but sometimes those saved files can become corrupted or outdated, and that can cause Chrome to incorrectly flag a safe website as insecure. To clear them, press Ctrl, Shift, and Delete. On Mac, press Command, Shift, and Delete. In the window that appears, set the time range to all time. Then check the boxes for cookies and other site data and cached images and files. Once those are selected, click Delete Data. After that, restart Chrome and try visiting the website again. This often fixes certificate and loading problems that seem confusing at first. Now, let's move on to a very important fix that many people overlook, and that is synchronizing your device clock. Chrome checks security certificates against the date and time on your computer. So if your system clock is even a little bit off, Chrome may think a certificate is expired or invalid when it actually isn't. To fix this, right-click the clock in the bottom right corner of your screen, then select Adjust the date and time. In the settings window, look for the option to sync your clock automatically, or click Sync Now if that option is available. Once your date and time are corrected, go back to Chrome and reload the website. This simple step can solve the problem instantly, especially on computers that haven't been updated in a while. If you're still getting the warning, the next thing to try is turning off Always Use Secure Connections. Chrome has a security feature that forces HTTPS whenever possible, which is great for most websites, but it can sometimes cause problems with older websites, local network pages, or router login pages that do not support modern encryption. To change this setting, click the 3 vertical dots again and open Settings. Then select Privacy and Security from the left sidebar and click Security. Scroll down until you reach the Advanced section. There you should see the option for Always Use Secure Connections. Toggle that switch off temporarily and then try loading the site again. Just remember, this should only be used when necessary, and you should turn it back on later if you were just testing an older site. At this point, one of these 4 fixes should get you past the site not secure error in Chrome. Start with forcing HTTPS, then clear your cookies and cache. Make sure your device clock is correct, and finally check the secure connection setting if needed. In most cases, the problem is not the site being dangerous, but rather a browser or device issue that Chrome is warning you about. If this video helped you fix the error, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials, browser fixes, and step-by-step guides. And if you want, check out the next video on the screen for more helpful Chrome tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.